Number 50, Harley McNear, batting average .323. Number 49, Joe Madwick, batting average .324. Number 48, Cool Papa Bell, batting average .324. Number 47, Pep Horman, batting average .324. Number 46, Joe Maggio, batting average .325. Number 45, Al Combos, batting average .325. Number 44, Jimmy Fox, batting average .325. Number 43, Hugh Duffy, batting average .325. Number 42, Willie Wells, batting average .327. Number 41, Rod Carew, batting average .328. Number 40, Wade Boggs, batting average .328. Number 39, Rod Parnell, batting average .328. Number 38, Honus Wagner, batting average .329. Number 37, Dick Landy, batting average .329. Number 36, Valentin Dick, batting average .330. Number 35, Heine Manush, batting average .330. Number 34, Sam Thompson, batting average .331. Number 33, Stan Musian, batting average .331. Number 32, Cap Anson, batting average .331. Number 31, Fato Jenkins, batting average .331. Number 30, Eddie Collins, batting average .333. Number 29, Paul Warner, batting average .333. Number 28, Ben Taylor, batting average .334. Number 27, Al Simmons, batting average .334. Number 26, Bullet Rogan, batting average .336. Number 25, Muse Shortler, batting average .338. Number 24, Tony Gwynn, batting average .338. Number 23, Jesse Burkett, batting average .338. Number 22, Cristobal Torrent, batting average .339. Number 21, Laplace, batting average .339. Number 19, Luke Harris, batting average .340. Number 18, Bill Terry, batting average .341. Number 17, Willie Keeler, batting average .341. Number 16, Harry Haleman, batting average .342. Number 15, Ben Ruth, batting average .342. Number 14, Dan Brothers, batting average .342. Number 13, Buck Neolard, batting average .344. Number 12, Billy Hamilton, batting average .344. Number 11, Ted Williams, batting average .344. Number 10, Christian Speaker, batting average .345. Number 9, Ardell Hunty, batting average .346. Number 8, Turkey Sistinans, batting average .348. Number 7, John Padwitt, batting average .348. Number 6, Toby Moore, batting average .350. Number 5, Chad Wilson, batting average .351. Number 4, Rogers Hansby, batting average .358. Number 3, Oscar Charleston, batting average .362. Number 2, Ty Cobb, batting average .367. Number 1, Josh Gibson, batting average .372.